Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today I'm gonna share my first attempt to grow avocado. So we've got some avocado seeds here and as you can see, this one is rooting. As you can see what happens, it will sort of split and crack. This one is fairly lazy. It's taking its time, but you can see it's getting to split. So yeah, I give it more time. And I think I'm gonna plant this one. What I did, I tried to peel off the sort of skin. So you can see it's sort of whitish. You can leave it on, but this way the water won't get so muddy and stuff like that. These ones, I didn't let them root like this one. So I was watching some videos and apparently as soon as it's getting split, you can put it into soil. So I'm not sure whether you are able to see, but there is little tiny plant coming through. This one we've got loads of soil, but there was a tiny bit as well. So I'm gonna see whether it will come through, and I will keep you posted. So let me know if you ever grown avocado from seeds and if you got any great tips. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye until next time.